All right, so I kind of typed out the rest of your information. I left out the part about the indigenous Indian tribe. I think that might be best, maybe an interesting facts, since this one is mostly about the founding and where it was and what number it is on the mission chain. Okay, so I finished typing that out. The very first thing you want to do is kind of fit your text to kind of fill up the entire box. So I go to that little plus sign until it looks like it kind of fits. You might need to adjust that after you change your font, but I'm just going to show you how to add a picture right now, okay? So you're going to add a picture. I'm going to suggest that you don't just go in, well, you click inside here, inside this little box right here. And then after you click inside the box, it's really important you click inside the box so that your picture goes inside of that, okay? I also recommend just kind of typing out like the letter A and highlighting it. And then it will show, it'll tell it to put your picture over the A. It just makes it fit a little bit better. So then you're going to go ahead and go to insert. You're going to go ahead and go to image, search the web, and you're going to type in mission Santa. I'm not wrong. Santa Barbara. It kind of pops up. And you're going to get a bunch of pictures. Now you want kind of a picture to kind of match what you're talking about. So you were talking about founding. So putting a picture of the front of Santa Barbara would be just fine. This one's really pretty, so I think I'll go ahead and pick that one. And it should replace the, oh, it didn't. All right, well, never mind about the A. You're still going to have to kind of adjust it to, you might need to erase that A there. Adjust the picture. So again, you'll just have to adjust the picture to kind of go over it. Here, if you can figure out how to get it within that box, that text box, you can let me know. All right, so then you're going to put your picture on here. All right, and once you've kind of fitted your picture a little bit better, I would even give it a border. So you can go here to border weight. You're going to go to, I'd probably give it at least an 8. And then you can change your color to maybe match, I would even match like the mission. So that would look really pretty. Again, if you want to do a different kind of border, you can do that kind of border. It makes it look kind of nice. Then you're going to want to go over and change your font. You can change your font style and also to change your font color. Okay, so you can make it kind of fun like that. Each slide, you can have a different font. Since this one's a little bit smaller, we can go ahead and make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to change the font color right here. Let's see, I go here. Font color would be regular text color. And I'm going to change it to be like kind of like a blue to kind of match. Okay. So you can also do a fill color if you want to make it even fancier, where you highlight all of this. And you could even go to the fill bucket here. And you can choose kind of like a different background. Now, if you have a dark font, you want a light background, okay? So that way it kind of matches. So, and you can even change this here to be a little different color. Okay, so make it fancy, make it creative, make it yours, okay? And then go ahead and you can adjust your font here as well. You can also do a fill bucket for this one to make it look a little fancier if you want to do that. And you can change the color again. Font color. Okay, so we have that. And you can do it different. You can do the same one or you can do a different one. It's up to you. You can do this one. You can do a border with this one. So say if you did the fill color there, you could do a border here. That would make it look kind of fun. And then you could do like a fancy border here. And you can even change the border color to maybe be a little blue. All right, so make sure your font is the same on each slide though. So you don't want 2 different fonts on one slide. You want to kind of keep it the same there. All right, so now you know how to make your mission slideshow. You're doing the first 2 slides today. I showed you how to make it fancy. And you are going to make the next 2 slides after that the same way you made these 2 slides. And then you'll make one more slide on Friday and then you're done. All right. Hopefully this helps and I will see you soon. Bye.